very cool glade. The reward ninja scroll. Oh my gosh, I gotta get this. Hey, what's going on, guys? Creepy Gamer here, and welcome. This is Bloons of Monkey City, and this is a special mission I found. That every single balloon is camo, and you can only have dog monkeys, ninjas, and snipers. That's pretty creepy, in my opinion. So that's why I have. Oh, come on. This is embarrassing. I have to really restart the recording again. Are you freaking with me? Are you not gonna load? Do I have to restart it into it? Freaking game. Oh no, okay, here we go. Yeah. Oh god, the lag is so bad when you're at the record. Oh god, it's that bad. Let's put ninja right up there. Let's get it right there. Let's get jump it up. Oh god. God. There we go. Look at that little buddy. What is he gonna do? Is he just gonna stay there? So we're already on round 1. That's good, I guess. Oh, why am I cracking my fingers? Ow! That feels so good though. Arthritis, no! Okay, this is, like I said, I got a new recording thing. I'm trying it out. I don't know if this does not work. I'm sorry. At least I can see the minute, so it's been a minute. It's good. Oh my god, this is so taking forever. We're gonna have to get a sniper gun. He's gonna be like, I'm strong. And we're gonna have to get into the, boppity boopy camo protection. So, pop 4 layers. And also lead and frozen. That's awesome. He can't pop lead yet. And he can't even see any balloons. That's so sad. Okay, there we go. That's awesome. I never knew he could pop frozen. Yeah, 2-2 sniper, 3-1 ninja, 2-3 dart monkey. So far it's been going good, and it's almost 3 minutes. But we're already on round 6, so we're actually on a roll. If I do die, just... Oh jeez, I already saw a rainbow balloon. Oh, no. Ninjas are the best here. All you have to do was spread the ninjas! The reason why, because ninjas are just freaking powerful against everything. Like ceramics, Moabs. I don't think there's any Moabs, which is good. We'll probably have to get another sniper, because, well, you know, the freaking leads are going to probably get a little too tough. I know right now it's already been 3 minutes and it's already around 8. Okay, good. We're actually making a lot of time. We're making a lot of time. That's actually a very good sign. Like I said, I can only record 15 minutes video. 15 minutes until I get a laptop and I borrow my mom's phone and then they send me this weird message and then I enable longer videos. And when I do, I can make longer videos and you all can actually really enjoy my videos instead of me having to rushing through them and yeah, it sucks. At least I'm making videos, at least I'm trying. I did upload a Smash Bros video. I figure out how I can make Smash Bros. I just play and then I save it and then I show the replay to you guys and you guys really enjoy that probably. I just upload it right now, so I don't really have no clue if any of you guys even watched it yet. But if you haven't watched it, don't worry, it's still there. It's brand new, it's fresh, it's beautiful. It's the second video after the first. So far it's been 4 minutes and we already have two triple turns, 2 ninjas, and then 2 snipers. Well, oof, 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 oof. Okay, yeah, okay, so we're gonna keep this guy in first because he's gonna be like, yeah. I don't know why, I just have a really bad feeling about this mission. Just in case, if anything kind of starts getting on through, if anything does, we're gonna get a bunch of freaking dart monkeys over here. So we're gonna get one right there, one right there, right there. Oh, I'm gonna put it right there. Okay, now on the freaking camo. Freaking camo, man. I freaking hate you. So 5 minutes, guys. This is not natural for me. No, just kidding. It's fine. It's just been 5 minutes. I'm freaking out. I'm sorry. I hate making long videos 15 minutes because, well, if I do, I cannot upload it. I have to watch it all the way, which takes freaking forever. I think the screen recorder is much more better with Bloons Monkey City than any other one. It's kind of been calm late. It's kind of been calm, not lagging. Hopefully, right? Leave in the comments below if there's any lag, because I haven't seen any, which that's a really good sign for me and probably for you guys. Hopefully, please leave in the comments below, because I just need to know. Oh, I'm very excited about these guys all up pretty much. Alright, we have our backup pretty much ready. All we need to do is upgrade it all to triple dart. Triple dart. 6 minutes. This mission might just take a full video. Holy crap. That's Alright, now we have our backup ready. Alright, now we can keep on going more ninjas. This is actually worth it for the ninja skull. Holy crap, dude, that ninja skull. That seems a really good one. Seems like it. Chicken shuriken. The best part about a ninja is that he can see camo right away. So, yeah, that's why he's so freaking good. Plus, he can pop ceramics and all the things when you get balloon jitsu and everything. And I still need to save up money for the freaking balloon jitsu. Are you freaking with me? This is kind of like a Bloons jitsu, but turn down more ninjas. But I mean, that's all I got. 2 ninjas making balloons and 2 ninjas making balloon jitsu. Here we go. You guys can tell I am freaking out. Oh my god! 7 minutes and 60. No, first. Take care of all those freaking lads, dude. Oh, the game tried tricking me, huh? No, put him on freaking strong. Pop them down, pop them. Yes! Come on! I back up! Oh my god! Ah! And we do end up taking them down! Yeah! Oh, jeez Louise. That was awesome and tough. Oh, dude, that was awesome, though. Holy crap. I'm just gonna ninja back here with distraction and flash bomb. Oh, come on! Okay. Yeah. Okay, what do you need? Ninja that right here. Put them on that. First, pop it. Wait, put it strong. Get rid of him. Flash bombs. Get rid of him. Flash bomb will probably take care of all the leads now. You got all about flash bomb. Oh, there we go. Now we're safe. Bam, flash bomb. The freaking sniper was so useless. I should have never gone for him. Okay. More ninjas! More! What the freak is wrong with me? Oh, more ninjas! Just spam the ninjas! I know it's been a while since I've done a vlog. I mean, I'm not really doing anything this summer, but I mean, I'm actually gonna probably do my own little baby challenge since I'm sorry, but the epic challenge videos are probably over. But don't worry, I'm still gonna do some challenges. I'm actually gonna find some new challenges for myself. Because, you know, I might be moving. I might. But if I don't, then the challenges will still be there with me, Hayden, and Roman. But if I do move, then I gotta do my own little baby challenges. Just for you guys. After a month. I mean, it'll be really good, but like, I'm probably have to have my sister. Hold on. I don't like that thing. And there we go, balloons and twos, pretty much. That makes one balloons and two. Yeah. My arms hurt. Just stretch them out. Yeah. Victory! 1,000 cash. Original XP. And the ninja scroll. You found the ninja scroll. Ancient ninja scroll of knowledge reveals techniques or special skill for ninjas. The item gives all your ninjas 5% faster attack speed permanently. Jeez. And a monkey notch pack. Oh, no. That's all I'm gonna have for you guys all today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Gamer Gamer. What am I doing? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.